Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of Logitech MK850. It's a combination of a keyboard and a mouse. So without any further delay, let's get started. I must say it comes in a very nice box. I'm not surprised, it's one of the premium models from Logitech. Ooh, look at this nice black cover. We got this nice keyboard and a very nice mouse. Let me keep it aside. What's the good thing about this keyboard and the reason for my selection is you can connect to 3 devices at the same time. The same goes for the mouse. You can connect to 3 devices at the same time. Also, you got keys for both MacBook and Windows at the same time. So if you are doing multitasking, if you're working on a Mac and Windows keyboard at the same time, you want to flip over, you can easily do it. Okay, let me rip this thing off. Then we can see how the mechanical keyboard sounds when I type. And here is the ergonomic hand rest, I must say. This feels really well while typing. And you can change your elevation by pulling this out. And now it just looks perfect. It has got a nice spring to it, the keys. It's a mechanical keyboard. There's not a lot of noise as compared to traditional keyboards. It's fairly quiet, so you'll actually love it. Let's see how the mouse looks like. I'm struggling with the mouse. Slightly back. Let's keep it aside. The mouse is a handful. I like it. There is enough support for your fingers. You can configure your shortcuts like copy and paste using these keys. And it feels really good in your hand. All in all, I'll say this combination of keyboard and the mouse is something you should definitely look for. Thank you for being a part of this journey of my home office setup, and I'll see you soon in my next unboxing. Thank you.